Your road to worry-free motoring starts here. If you receive a higher rate mobility allowance, like one of these, you could exchange it to lease a car on the Motability scheme. Insurance, maintenance and breakdown cover are all included in the price. You just pay for fuel and off you go. If you need help with things like driving, storing a wheelchair, or getting in and out of your car, adaptations can be fitted. And you don't have to drive yourself. You can add friends and family as named drivers. To get started, speak to the Motability Scheme specialist at your dealership. Talk through your options and then test drive the cars to see which one is right for you. And finally, all that's left to do is enjoy your car. Drive away with the peace of mind that everything's included in our worry-free package. At the end of the lease, you just hand your car back and pick a new car for your next lease. And that's it. The Motability Scheme. Simple, affordable, reliable. Get started at motability.co.uk.